Hello, my name is Liesel. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly save an image or design to a transparent background. This will be very useful if you create designs that you need to print onto things like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and so forth, but also very useful when setting up your business stationery or other designs, especially if the background of your design does not have a white background. Because if you just save the image as a JPEG, you will have this white color in the background, and this will be troublesome. So, if you're ready to learn something new, come with me. After you've created your design, so I've done this logo, you will go to Share, Download, choose PNG, click here on Transparent Background, and you will only have this on the Canva Pro account. And then you can go to Download. Now that you've downloaded your PNG image on the transparent background, you can go to Uploads, upload your file. Make sure that you name your file correctly so that you can easily find it. And then under your uploads images, you will have your image on the transparent background. You can see that. And now if you want to use it, you can simply click it over and place it where required. I hope you found this useful. I hope you learned something new today. And if you've got any questions, please leave a message down in the comments. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.